This is the Canada TQ Plus motorhome from Ahorn, and this vehicle distinguishes itself by having a queen bed at the back. For one of these, you're looking at around 69,000 euros. As you can see, there is a semi-dinette, and above that there's a double bed which has a separate bedroom at the back. Let's go through here now, which, as you can see, has this double bed, double bed, queen bed, island bed. Above it, storage, wardrobes on either side, and there are also reading lights. If I lift the bed up, you can see we can also get storage under there, but this one has the boiler in, so you wouldn't want to put too much on near that. On the on my right side, there is a shower which has been protected by a bit of carpet, and there you have a look up there. And there is the Truma heating and hot water, gas. On the other side, we have a separate toilet, sink, and angled mirror with a sliding door as well. The bedroom has a window on either side and a window in the roof. Coming through here, we find that there is a kitchen with 3 burners, a sink with a domestic drainage. We have here storage cabinets which can be centrally locked, and around here we have a freezer and a fridge. Space there, 12 volts, and a television I suppose is supposed to go up there, and it is on a Renault, which is a good thing when there's a shortage of Fiat Ducatos. So I'd aim to do that in under 3 minutes, and I've been successful. If you want to see though a longer video, there will be a link to a longer video below, and there should also be some information in the description. But for the moment, thanks very much, and all the best from me in Germany.